at the points of time, the Hindi films I did, when they came out, they seemed like the right decision. But they turned out to have their own destiny and have their own result, which was the fate of.
A very interesting aspect is that I think you are the only actress who has worked with Prabhas for in Bahubali.
Yeah.
He did Bahubali 1 and 2 in a span of almost 4 or 5 years. At the same time, you've also worked with him in like a modern avatar in Rebel,
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
right? And so that makes it. I think that must have been a unique experience that you worked with him in a like a glamorous avatar that you're coming out from the sea in a swimsuit and he's trying to impress you with the way he's trying to impress you, and then you work with him in Bahubali.
But what I'm more impressed about is you've done your research, right? You've
You know
gone
why
and
I've done this? You know, because when I
I know
spoke
you
to
don't
you two
speak
days,
Tamil, but you know the scenes and you know what's happened in the film.
when I
So
spoke to you
that's
2 days back,
actually
you said
tremendous.
no. When I spoke to you 2 days back, you said that Faridun अभी हम लोग ने 2 interviews अभी हम लोग किए, हम लोग नया क्या बात करेंगे? So I said that no, we have to talk something new.
But you're killing it. No, um, the fact remains. It's always very it's very easy to talk to you, Farigun. Anybody, I'm sure anybody who does an interview with you always feels first of all very comfortable. So hence it's
Thank you
very
very much.
easy to kind of say everything out loud and just say it the way it is.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
फिर इंसान ज्यादा ही बोल जाता है.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. Please don't worry. All
But yeah,
right.
when you spoke about Rebel, me and Prabhas had just met on that film, and um, I didn't get a chance to interact with him that much on that film. But I think we really became good friends once I worked with him in Bahubali because we spent so much time on the film, and there was a very different kind of prep that Bahubali took, which probably no other film could have taken for. Even if we did say other films, apart from Rebel, it wouldn't have been the same. Doing Bahubali was another experience only altogether because the
Of course,
physical,
of course.
exertion, the mental, emotional exertion that was required for that film was, a lot. So, and I think for every actor, whichever actor was a part of that film had that experience. So yeah, but I think I was very happy that I got a chance to do such like varied characters with him, and I still feel like he has a very very large bandwidth as an actor. He can do a lot of different characters, and I think for me, the vision that I have for my career is very much that I want to do a variety of roles. I don't want to get stuck in any kind of genre and say, okay, this is what I really want to do. So I want to experiment and explore myself. And that's something I'm going to constantly keep doing as an actor. And I feel like this time, this lockdown period that I have got has been a great you know experience where I have got to like unlearn a couple of things that I probably wanted to and kind of start afresh. Because maybe when you continuously keep working, there's a sense of monotony that sets in. And for a creative person, it's so important to let go of that monotony and, kind of bring something new to the plate.
Right.
So yeah, for me at least, this lockdown period has been beneficial because I've been able to um, address a lot of things that I wanted to, but then I always was like, let's work first and let's do that later. But I guess it doesn't work like that.
All right. Okay, and now crack is something that I think the industry is very excited about, and it is being touted to be a biggie as and when it releases. So, how excited are
What's
you
that?
for
Sorry, I
crack?
didn't hear you, Varidhan. आपने क्या बोला?
Crack, crack. How excited are you for crack?
Crack is not my film.
It is not your film. Okay, so I've done over research actually.
नहीं नहीं.
It's just
You already won me, yaar. You can now say
Acha,
anything.
okay.
I
Okay.
I'm doing
All
a
right, so
film,
but
Varidhan, which is
Ravi Teja,
it is it's Ravi Teja's. Crack is also Ravi Teja's film, so you're not completely wrong. It's another film of
right,
his. I am working on
right,
a film called City Mar, which is
correct.
it's based on kabaddi, and
You're a kabaddi coach in that.
yeah, I'm playing a kabaddi coach. So it's a sports film, which also for me is new. I haven't attempted it, and and I'm also not attempted speaking Telangana slang, which is how just like how Hindi
Ah,
is spoken in various slangs, Telugu also is spoken in in according to the areas it's spoken in different slangs. So Telangana is a specific kind of slang which I've never attempted before. Considering I've done quite a few films there, I still haven't done that. So for me, that was exciting because so Sampath and I, the director of the film, we've done two films together before. Um,
okay.
and for us also, I think there's something similar between the two of us, that's Sampath and me, that we've had very similar journeys. Like both those films did really well, but then somewhere we always were looking for something more. It was not just commercial success was there, but I think we were looking out for more in terms of content, because now the kind of content that is being churned out is just so amazing that you want to give something new. So I think he as a maker and I as an actor really had that very strong desire to bring out something new, and I'm glad Sampath came with this kind of script to me instead of something that was what we had already done.
Right. Okay. Now, you're also someone who likes to learn your lines. In Tamil, from what I understand, you learn your lines thoroughly to just make it look as natural as possible, and you dub your own lines, from what I understand, right?
Telugu, I've started dubbing. Yeah, I with there was a film that released last year called F2. So there onwards, I've been dubbing my Telugu.
You've been dubbing it, okay, Telugu. And the interesting part is that you've had phenomenal success in the South industry. Your the dubbed versions of Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2, they've done extraordinary business in the Hindi belt. There have been several films of yours which have done reasonably well. Films like Entertainment, for example, and Hum Shakals, for example. They've done reasonably well, but you've not really had like huge successes the way you've had maybe down south.
Absolutely.
Is that as an actor, since Hindi comes naturally to you, as an actor, is that a bit frustrating for you as well at times?
Well, the thing is, I feel like every actor has a very unique journey, and there's only so much that one can do. Like, uh, at the points of time, the Hindi films I did, when they came out, they seemed like the right decision, but they turned out to have their own destiny and have their own result, which was the fate of the film, which it would have been anyway. But I feel like, I mean, I'm still alive, and the world is ticking, and I feel like also it's a great time to be an actor, because right now it's not about whether you are a star or you've been a star or you've done 1,000 films or you've done one film or you've never worked before. None of that matters. It's the time of just pure talent and good work and genuine attempts, because like for me, again, I mean, I'm probably being repetitive as I say this, but whatever experience I've had in this entire lockdown period makes me realize that you could have done any amount of work that's successful, but that has no meaning as a creative person. For us, it is a constant thing of creating something new and surprising the audience and satisfying them from a perspective that they also don't expect. So I feel like that's what the job of an actor has become, and I feel like the good actors are surviving. So I feel like I still have all the time in the world
No, no,
to
of course, of course,
do a lot of
of course.
cinema which is Hindi based, which is Hindi as a language
Right.
based. So I'm not feeling. I still don't feel like I missed out, because I have done such a large body of work there, and of course there is I'm very thankful for the very loyal fan following that has
Absolutely.
that has come to me organically in all these years. And now I just intend on continuing doing work that satisfies me as an actor, and makes me reach out to many more people. Now it's global. It's not even about being just an Indian actor anymore. You can be a global actor. You don't have to be stuck
Absolutely,
to a
absolutely,
or a language. You do a good job, you do good work, and you're everywhere. So I think that's the beauty
absolutely,
of this time. So I mean, I'm
absolutely.
actually looking forward to this phase of my career.
Absolutely. And Entertainment, for example, it was a huge hit on satellite. It did very well on
Yeah.
satellite. Entertainment.
Yeah,
Okay,
a
and
lot of kids come up to me and they're like, "Hey, we really liked your entertainment," and it's so cute. I mean, I really look forward to taking, like, when kids come and talk to me. Right, that's my most it excites me the most, because I feel like their opinions are so genuine, and there's just no, when they say something, they just say it like so. Oh, like when they see me, they're like, "Oh, butterfly auntie," like that. They have these very very like natural, real reactions, and I feel like that's what makes me feel really really happy as an actor. That okay, there is a sense of memory that these kids make whenever they're watching whatever content we create.